Dear viewers, once again I invite you to the class given by GN English Point. Already we had very nice and magnificent, very essential, indispensable discussion in the previous class regarding to translate Odia to English very quickly according to the instruction of the grammar. The grammar has the special eye, which grammar is a technical process and assist always to the speaker and to the writer to speak perfectly and to write also perfectly according to the rule and regulations of the grammar. Before or from the very beginning I have told you that you don't go after three things in your life. One is woman, with woman you should go in your life, and don't go after also the running vehicles, otherwise it may occur an accident, and without grammars also. Don't go after grammar, with grammar you should go on. As a result, you never will face any trouble, and everywhere you can interact, you can share with others, you can communicate with others, you can share language, you can express your feelings, your thought, your desire, your passion, your everything. So having the strong willing power and determination, if you once will start the journey in life, especially to pay visit everywhere by the help of this God-gifted language or international language, English, then grammar must help you with you. That is why respect to grammar and having the help of grammar, carry on the journey of life of in English literature, in language, and we can also understand the language that are used by the people across the world. Today, we shall discuss about the present perfect continuous form, the formula number 4. We know very well that a verb is a word. A verb is a word which indicates an action. Or the verb is what? Kriya gotiye shabda. Action. Kriya gotiye shabda. The verb is a word. Kriya ka shabda which indicates an action, जहाँ कौन सी कार्य कामों को बुझाए. And verbs have different forms. Verbs have different forms called tenses. Verbs have different forms called tense. And the tense of a verb indicates an action. The forms of a verb, the tense of a verb indicates an action. It means the tense of a verb shows an action. When the action happens. When the action happens. So that today we shall discuss about the form of the verbs, which verbs are used in a present perfect continuous form. Basically, in our everyday life, we use very few sentences having the structure of a present perfect continuous. It means we are not willing, we are not getting any scope, we are not desiring especially to use that type of sentences. Perhaps we are facing troubles. To understand the present perfect continuous form, that is why very less numbers of sentences in this structures are used by the people everywhere. I am putting this question to you also. Already you spent from morning to yet, but you have not used a single sentence of this present continuous form. So what is present perfect continuous form? Now present perfect continuous form really is one structure, and having by the help of that structure, we do not like to use sentence. Perhaps are facing trouble. But today we shall discuss about it, and why shall not we use the present perfect continuous form of the verbs. Everyone knows very well that when we are desiring or going to write an essay at that time, most of the students only they use the declarative sentence only in the essay. What is the essay? You know very well that. What is the paragraph? You know very well that. What is the paragraph? A paragraph is a unit of combination. A paragraph is a unit of sentences. So that in an essay, we see more than 5-6 paragraphs. A paragraph is a unit of composition where the main point is developed by the help of supporting details. So that only we use the present simple sentence, present progressive sentence, present perfect sentence, past simple, past progressive, past perfect, and future simple, future progressive. Only positive sentence we use in essay. But they do not like to use different types of forms. Negative sentence, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, double-edged sentence. Apart from that only, we use only simple sentences. We do not like to use idioms, proverbs, phrasal verbs, prepositions like that. So that the essay should be eye-catching. The essay should attract or arrest the minds of the readers. So that we should know to learn different types of forms of sentences. We should learn how to write different types of sentences having different forms of verbs. So that present perfect continuous form is also very important, essential for everyone to speak and write and use in their everyday life. So that what is present perfect continuous form? And the present perfect continuous tense or the present perfect continuous form of the verb indicates already an action started in the past and a continuing of the present time. That is present perfect continuous form. What is present perfect continuous tense or what is present perfect continuous form of the verb? Now present continuous perfect form of the verb indicates an action began in past and a continuing of the present time. An example, formula number 4. Tense present form that is perfect continuous. Perfect continuous or present perfect continuous or a present perfect progressive and a type of a sentence. That is a declarative sentence which gives two statements about an object or about a person. Declarative sentence has two statements. One is positive and another negative. So that is positive statement. Positive statement structure. Subject plus have or has plus a been plus a B1 plus a ing. An example, she has been reading for 2 hours. She has been reading for 2 hours. से 2 घंटा धरी पढ़ी आसुछंती. से 2 घंटा धरी पढ़ी आसुछंती. She has been reading. से पढ़ी आसुछंती. For is the preposition 2 hours. 2 घंटा धरी. It काहे for लागिला? Why used here for? Because there is not a point of a time. That is why we use here for preposition. 2 घंटा धरी केतेटा आरंभ करिसंती. When he started his reading, we do not know the point of the time. That is the particular point of the time. That is why we used here preposition for instead of a since. But when we shall use since, now when we will get the point of a time, at that time we must use here since star instead of a for. I am giving that example. The players have been playing the match since 9 o'clock. See the second sentence. The players have been playing. खेलाड़ी माने खेली आसुचंती the match खेल को since ठारू 9 o'clock 9 टारू एपर्यंत खेली आछंती. It means they started the action, playing the action, play. They started in past. ସେମାନେ ଅତୀତରୁ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି. Since 9 टारू. It means the action started in past. The action began in the past and continuing of the present. से 9 टारू खेली आसुचंती action आरंभ होई सारी अतीतरू. ए वर्तमान action चालीछि काम चालीछि. The point we are getting the point of time at 9 o'clock. They started the game. They started playing at 9 o'clock. It is the point of time. That is why before that time we must use their since the preposition. It is the point of time. But in the first sentence, she has been reading for 2 hours. Say 2 घंटा धरे पढ़ी आसुचंती. It means that is no particular point of times. 2 घंटा धरे केते टाइम आरंभ करछिले. When she started the action, we do not know the point of time. That is why we use the preposition of her. And in general grammar classes also, I shall narrate or describe or depict main rule and regulation, and I shall give you various examples, special to clear doubts that to use where we shall use her and where we shall use since. So now I shall translate Odia to English very quickly by the help of this structure. You see, Odia to English. मु कटक विगत 10 वर्ष धरी मो बापा माँ सह रही आसुअछि. One sentence of this structure. मो कटक विगत 10 वर्ष धरि मो बापा माँ सह रही आसुअछि. It means I started living or residing in Cuttack with my parents in the past, not today. Before 10 years just we accommodated there. It means my family and myself also resided in Cuttack, and presently also I am living in Cuttack also. It means the action started or began in past and continue the present. आगुर रही आसुछु एवं वर्तमान भी रही छु. आगुर it means all the action already started before in the past and it has relation with the present time, so that is present perfect continuous form. I am translating this Odia sentence very quickly by the help of this structure in English. मो इज one word, कट्टा करे one word, विगत 10 वर्ष धरि one word मो बापा, मा इज one word अंक and सह one word रही आसुछि. You see ए वाक्य रे मो गुटे शब्द कटक रे गुटे शब्द विगत 10 वर्ष धरि गुटे शब्द मो बापा मा गुटे शब्द रही आसुछि. रही आसुछि द एक्शन वर्ड allocated first, that is रही आसुछि माने रहिबा काम चली आगर रही आसुछि वर्तमान भी तार संपर्क अछि. तनु this sentence is a tense present and form that is perfect continuous, and the type of a sentence is positive, that is a full stop or a formation at the end of the sentence. So declarative positive statements at the structure subject के ना subject first, subject move or action word रही आसुछि V1 word number 2. After getting that action word, then we have to locate or mark, recognize the subject, that is move, subject 1. Then left side saha word number 3, bapa ma word number 4, 10 वर्ष धरि विगत 10 word number 5, कट्टा word number 6. That's the 6 numbers of words. I am translating that. Word number 1, word number 2. एक नंबर को 2 नंबर जो करले कर्ता एवं क्रिया. मो रही आसुछि स्ट्रक्चर subject ला मो इंग्लिश आई half हाजुरा में half number first person singular number subject I have half, then been, then V1 रहिबा इंग्लिश reside or stay. reside आइएनजी लागियो जे verb action word शेष कर ई थिबो तब आइएनजी लागिले ई हमर ओमिट करबा एडी आइएनजी लागिला residing. I have been residing. तापर word number के ना word number गला 3 with सहित इंग्लिश र स with I have been residing with word number 4 मो बापा मा my parents मो बापा मा my parents word number 5 विगत 10 वर्ष धरि last 10 years और for 10 years आपण कहि परिबे ताकु मध्य कहि परिबे last 10 years विगत इंग्लिश या गति already completed last 10 years कटक इन कटक देखंतु इन कटक at कटक नो कटक रो preposition in which I will use in before कटक if the city is big one the place is big one the area is big one before that we must use that preposition in if the place is very small then before that we must use that at small village at I am living at school I am living at the police station I am living आम जो छोट जगह थी छोट एरिया थी से प्रिपोजिशन आट लगे जो बड़ सिटी हो द प्रिपोजिशन इन लगे कटक गोटे बड़ एरिया इट इज ए बिग एरिया दैट इज व्हाई इन इंडिकेट्स एन एरिया इफ दैट एरिया इज बिग वन सो दैट द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीटेड ट्रांसलेट ओडिया टू इंग्लिश वेरी क्विकली तो ओडिया सेंटेंसेस मो कटक रे विगत 10 वर्ष धरि मो बापा मां का रहि आसोची सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस आल्सो is being used by maximum peoples numbers of peoples also in their everyday life and how to translate that sentence to English very quickly by the help of a formula number 4 structure number this one present perfect continuous I translated before you also and see the sentence I have been residing or I have been staying or I have been living or I have been accommodating or I have been staying in with my parents last 10 years in Qatar I have been residing with my parents I have been residing mo rahi asu achi with my parents mo bapa ma ko sahita last 10 years विगत 10 वर्ष धरि in कटक गत सप्ताह बा 3 दिन धरि एठारे वर्षा अछि it has been raining since last 3 days it has been गत रविवार ठारू एठारे वर्षा होई आसु अछि it has been raining here last Sunday मु आपन को 20 वर्ष धरि एई उपदेश दे आसु अछि जे आपन भूल काम करंतु नै मो विगत 20 वर्ष धरि आपन को एई एका प्रकार गोटी उपदेश दे आसु अछि जे आपन जीवन रे भूल कार्य करंतु नै बोली I have been advising to you last 20 years particularly this lesson this thing not to do any mistake or any error or any mischief in your life एई गोपटी गत वर्ष ठार मो आई ए पर्यंत मते कहि आसोची my grandmother my granny has been telling this story to me last 1 month मा आज सकाळ 5 टारू ए पर्यंत बापांग सहित बगीचा रे फूल गछरे पानी देई आसोची my mother has been watering the flower trees or my mother has been watering the plants in her gardens with my father since today morning 8 o'clock it means in next class numbers of sentences like this we shall translate out of English in assessment so today the class is over and if you like my class and my channel also give likes and comments and subscribe to especially subscribe the channel and have a nice day. Thank you.